Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to insert a flower symbol into your Word document? It's quick and easy. Let me show you how, including a shortcut key to do it instantly. Let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Word and position your cursor where you want to insert the flower symbol. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Symbol and then More Symbols. In the symbol dialog box, set the font to Wingdings 2 or Wingdings. Scroll through the symbols and find a flower symbol, select it, then click Insert. To make it faster, assign a shortcut key. Go back to Insert, Symbol, More Symbol, select Flower Symbol, then click Shortcut key. Press a combination like Alt F to set it. Click Assign and close. Now just press your shortcut key Alt F in this example to insert the flower symbol instantly. And there you go. Whether you use the insert menu or a shortcut key, adding a flower symbol in Word is super easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Word tips. Thanks for watching.